Hello students, how are you? I am Jagat Singh Chokka welcomes you in our YouTube channel Maths Zone. In the previous video we discussed on the some types, definitions, theorems related to the triangles. Today we have new topics on the exterior angles property or exterior angle theorems. So our topic theorem exterior angle theorems. What is the theorem? If a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle of so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. This is the theorem and this is the figure. ABC is a triangle and BC produced to D. Then we have three angles, 1, angle 2 and angle 3, and angle 4 is the exterior angles of the triangle. So how we prove it? So first of all we need to write given. What is the given? A triangle ABC in which side BC produced to D. And what we prove? Angle 4 is equal to interior sum of the two interior opposite angles. This is the linear pair. So let this angle and the sum of 1 and 3 is equal to 4. That is our theorem. So angle 4 is equal to will be equal to 1 plus angle 3. Let's write proof. And now start. We know that this angle 4 plus 2 both are linear pair and 1, 2 and 3 are the sum of the triangles. So use both the theorems. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. These are the condition of linear pair, and using the property of angle sum property, in this case angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 180 degree. This is angle sum property. Now you have angle equation 1 and 2. You have two equations. We have seen that the right hand side of both the equations are equal. So left of the first part is equal to the left part of the second equation. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. In this case, when we compare this equation, then you have seen that angle 2 and angle 2 are coming in both the sides. So cancel it, and remaining part is the angle 4 is equal to 1 plus angle 3. So 1 and 3 is equal to the angle 4. It means alternate. These are angle 1 and 3 are interior opposite angle, and 4 angle is the exterior angle. So that according to the theorem, we have to prove that angle 4 exterior angle will be equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Now we have taken some examples. The side, this is the figure, and example 1, side QP and RQ produce of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T, this point and this point T respectively. If angle SPR is equal to 35 and PQT is equal to 70 degree, then find the angle SQR, this angle, and find this angle. These angles are to be find PRQ. So first when we find PRQ, then it is compulsory that we have to find PRT, and PRT is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. So that we, in the first theorem, we have shown that this angle will be equal to these angles. So using this theorem and solve it, angle PRT is equal to exterior angle is equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. These both angles are given 35 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 105 degree. So PRT is equal to 105. Now by this theorem, by this angle, we have to find angle PRQ. Angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree because both are linear pair. And put the value PRT. PRT is given 105 and PRQ is unknown. So angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree is equal to 75 degree. So it will be equal to 75 degree. Now the first angle will be calculated and the remaining angle is SQR. SQR is this angle. So both the angles SQR and angle PQR both will be also the following the property of linear pair. So using this property, angle SQR plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree, and in this case angle SQR to find and PQR is 70 degree, 180 degree, and angle SQR is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. So dear students, we have calculated both the exterior angle by the triangle. One is the interior angle which is related, it is included by the linear pair. Next, take another example. In the figure, find the value of x and y. This is the figure, and angle B is 38 degree, and angle DAC is equal to 115 degree. So this is DAC or CAD is angle is the exterior angle of this triangle, and we have to find x and y. So x and y are the angles of interior angles which is including the exterior, and this is the interior opposite angles of exterior. So y plus 38 will be equal to this. So this theorem will be solved as take an exterior angle property, and using this property, angle DAC exterior angle is equal to the ulterior opposite angles y plus 38 degree. DAC is 115, so y plus 38, and in this case we have to find y 38 minus from 15, 8, 7, 10 minus 3, 7, 77 degree, this is y. By this property, you have seen that y and 38, we easily calculated angle y, and by this when we find x, then exterior angle and x will be linear pair. So it is also very simple question. In this case, angle BAC plus angle DAC is equal to 180 degree. These are the pair of linear. So that BAC is x and DAC is 115 degree is equal to 180. X will be equal to 180 degree minus 115, and in this case 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 1 6, and 1 minus 1 0. So x will be equal to 65. So students, we have seen the property and situation of the triangles and angles, and then apply in which case we use to linear pair, which case exterior angle property will be used, and some of the angle property according the condition. Let's take one more example which is very important and belongs to NCERT books. So let's take example 3. In the figure, the sides QR of triangle PQR is produced to S if the bisector of angle PQR and PRS meet at point T, then prove that QTR is equal to half angle PQPR. So how we prove? QT line are the bisector of angle PQR, so that these angles are equal, and we have taken angle 1 and 2. Also RT is the angle bisector of the angle PRS, so this angle will be equal, both angles are equal, and we have taken angle 3 and 4. Now let's solve. To prove what we prove, taken angle QTR is equal to half angle QPR. Solution. How we solve it? Now first we use the exterior angle property. PRS is the exterior angle. Angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle PQR. So angle PRS will be equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles of triangle PQR, and angle P plus, write angle P as QPR plus PQR. Now bisect half of this and divide this equation by 2. So half angle PRS is equal to half angle QPR plus half angle PQR. Angle 1 equal to 2, angle 3 equal to 4. This is the given part by the bisector of both angles according. And we have putting these angles in this equation. Angle PRS will be taken here. Half of angle PRS will be taken 3 or 4, which is suitable. So we have taken angle 4 is equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR. QPR is as it is, angle QPR, no need to be changed, and half angle of PQR. PQR half is related to the 2. So 1 and 2 are both equal. So we have taken angle 2 in this case, and this equation will be 1. Now by this property will be taken from PRS is the exterior angle. When TRS is the exterior angle, then now angle TRS is equal to, this is the exterior angle also for triangle QTR. So angle 4 will be equal to this plus this. Angle 2, this value equal to angle 2 plus angle QTR. Angle TRS will be placed to 4. So right here 4 equal to angle 2 plus angle QTR. This will be equation 2. We have seen that equation 1 and 2 have angle 4 in the left hand side, both are equal. So this part will be equal to this part. That's taken by equation 1 and 2. Half angle QPR plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle QTR, and angle 2 cancel. What will be equal? The remaining will be QTR is equal to half angle QPR, which we have to find. QTR is equal to half angle QPR. So by this method, by this property, we have solved this property, these questions easily. Is end in this video. In the next video, we have taken another topics for you. You have to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.